If anyone's ever read Plato's Symposium, one of the things you know is there's no reason you can't get together with people and be thoughtful and also have a really good time. One of the things we want students to take away from the Eros Symposium is it's just come and have fun with your community and your friends, but also get into some really good conversations, listen to some good poetry, listen to some good readings. Yeah, those are the two big takeaways.
My favorite thing about the Eros Symposium is our poetry reading. I think it's a nice way for us to gather together, read our favorite poems from our favorite poets about love, whether that be romantic and platonic. I think it helps connect our community and bring it closer together.
I think it's another really fun way to sit and make crafts and get to talk with people that you either haven't seen for a while or make new friends or new connections, and it's another great way to connect across grade levels or things like that.
I know when you say symposium, it sounds like it's going to be all snooty or something, but it's extremely laid back and a lot of fun.